What if I told you that our solar system holds secrets beyond our wildest imagination? Yes, you heard it right. Our humble abode in the universe, the solar system, is teeming with enigmas that continue to baffle even the brightest minds of our generation. Home to not one, not two, but 8 unique planets, the solar system is a vast cosmic playground stretching over billions of kilometers. Each planet, from the scorching Mercury to the frigid Neptune, harbors its own set of mysteries and wonders. They spin and twirl, each on their own cosmic dance around the sun, our very own star. But the vastness of the solar system isn't just about its physical dimensions. It's also about the infinite questions it poses, the countless curiosities it sparks, and the endless discoveries waiting to be made. So, are you ready for an adventure? Join me as we unravel the mysteries that lie within our celestial neighborhood. First up is Mercury, the smallest and fastest planet in our solar system. This swift celestial body races around the sun in a mere 88 Earth days, earning it the title of the speedster of our cosmic neighborhood. But speed isn't its only distinguishing feature. Mercury's close proximity to the sun subjects it to extreme temperature fluctuations, with daytime highs reaching a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit and nighttime lows plummeting to a frigid minus 290 degrees. Now, let's turn our attention to Mercury's surface, a rugged landscape heavily scarred by impacts. This tiny planet is home to the largest impact crater in our solar system, the Caloris Basin, stretching over 900 miles in diameter. Yet, curiously, beneath its sun-scorched and cratered surface, Mercury hides a secret. It harbors vast deposits of ice in its permanently shadowed polar craters. Despite its proximity to the sun, Mercury remains an icy enigma. Next, we have Venus, often called Earth's evil twin. Why evil, you ask? Well, let's delve into the heart of this mysterious planet. Venus, our nearest planetary neighbor, is shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with clouds of sulfuric acid. This noxious cocktail traps heat, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even though it's not the closest to the sun. The surface temperatures here can melt lead. Now let's talk about Venus's peculiar spin. Unlike most other planets, Venus has a retrograde rotation. It spins in the opposite direction to its orbit around the sun. This results in a day on Venus being longer than its year. Can you imagine a single day lasting more than 240 Earth days? Venus, a world of extremes, is a testament to the destructive power of a runaway greenhouse effect. Moving on to Mars, the famous red planet. This intriguing world, named after the Roman god of war, is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance, a result of iron oxide prevalent on its surface. Mars is a place of extremes. It's home to the largest volcano and the deepest canyon in our solar system. The volcano, Olympus Mons, towers over the Martian landscape, its height 3 times that of Mount Everest. The canyon, Valles Marineris, dwarfs our own Grand Canyon, stretching wider than the entire United States. But what truly sets Mars apart is its potential for life. Evidence of water, a vital ingredient for life as we know it, has been discovered on the Martian surface. This tantalizing discovery has fueled our ongoing search for life on Mars. Could there be microbial life hiding beneath the surface? Or perhaps did life once flourish there in the past? Mars continues to tantalize us with the possibility of past or even present life. Now we venture into the realm of the gas giants, starting with Jupiter and Saturn. First up, we have Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. This gas giant is most famous for its Great Red Spot, a storm that's been raging for centuries. With a diameter larger than Earth itself, this tempest is a whirl of high-pressure winds swirling in a counterclockwise direction. It's a storm so large it's visible from Earth with a modest telescope. But Jupiter is more than just a colossal storm. It's also home to a staggering number of moons. The largest of these, Ganymede, is even bigger than the planet Mercury. Imagine that, a moon larger than a planet. Now let's shift our gaze to Saturn. This gas giant is instantly recognizable by its iconic rings. These rings are composed of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to chunks as big as a house. They stretch out more than 200,000 miles from the planet, yet are remarkably thin, only about 30 feet thick. Saturn also has its fair share of moons, the most famous being Titan, the second largest moon in the solar system. Titan is unique because it's the only moon known to have a dense atmosphere and stable bodies of surface liquid. It's a moon that in many ways mirrors the early Earth, sparking curiosity about the potential for life. These gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, are more than just planets. They're miniature solar systems within our own, each with their own retinue of moons, and each with their own unique characteristics. They remind us of the diversity and wonders that lie within our own cosmic backyard. From Jupiter's stormy atmosphere to Saturn's icy rings, the gas giants are truly a spectacle to behold. Finally, we reach the outermost planets, the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. These planets, shrouded in an icy blue hue, hold captivating secrets that continue to intrigue scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Let's begin with Uranus. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Uranus spins on its side. Imagine if Earth was tilted so far that the North Pole pointed almost directly at the sun in summer. That's the kind of extreme tilt we're talking about. This peculiar orientation is believed to be the result of a cataclysmic collision that occurred billions of years ago. But the quirks of Uranus don't stop there. This ice giant also boasts a faint ring system, a feature it shares with its gas giant siblings, Jupiter and Saturn. Yes, you heard right, Uranus has rings. They may not be as prominent or as flashy as Saturn's, but they are just as fascinating. These delicate rings, composed of dark particles of ice and rock, encircle the planet, adding to its enigmatic charm. Moving further away from the sun, we encounter Neptune, the last recognized planet in our solar system. Neptune is renowned for its supersonic winds, the fastest planetary winds in the solar system. These winds whip around the planet at speeds that can exceed 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. But that's not all Neptune has to offer. The planet also harbors a mysterious dark spot, similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This dark spot, a raging storm as big as Earth itself, comes and goes as it pleases, leaving scientists scratching their heads in bewilderment. Remote and mysterious, the ice giants remind us of just how much we have yet to discover. As we continue to explore the farthest reaches of our solar system, who knows what other secrets these distant worlds might reveal? As we have seen, each planet in our solar system holds its own unique secrets. We embarked on a cosmic journey, starting with Mercury, the swift planet closest to the sun. We discovered its extremely hot and cold temperatures due to its lack of atmosphere and its rapid rotation around the sun. Its craters and wrinkles narrate stories of cosmic impacts and the planet's cooling and contracting past. Then, we ventured to Venus, Earth's evil twin. Despite its similar size and composition to our home planet, it hosts a toxic, thick atmosphere with temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Its surface, shrouded in clouds of sulfuric acid, paints a picture of an intense greenhouse effect gone wild. Our next stop was Mars, the red planet. Its iron-rich soil gives it its distinct red color. We delved into its potential for life, its monumental volcanoes, and its impressive canyons. We also touched on the ongoing exploration efforts that could one day lead to human footsteps on its surface. We then journeyed to the gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn, magnificent in their enormous size and composition, predominantly of hydrogen and helium. We learned about Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth itself, and Saturn's stunning ring system, a complex dance of ice and rock particles. Our voyage continued to the ice giants Uranus and Neptune, each with their unique blue hues due to the presence of methane in their atmospheres. We studied Uranus's peculiar tilt, causing it to spin on its side, and Neptune's supersonic winds, the fastest in the solar system. Finally, we glimpsed at the dwarf planet Pluto and the Kuiper Belt, the frontier of our solar system, reminding us of the vast expanse that lies beyond. From the searing heat of Mercury to the icy cold of Neptune, our solar system is a testament to the diversity and wonder of the universe.